Pass that bitch to walk.
It's getting cold outside.
What's up, YouTube? I just came out of the pool, you guys. I look a little dry, burnt, chlorine. Just took a little shower. And you know what? I want to make a little snack. And I feel like I should show you guys my little snack. So I turned on the camera. You know what I'm saying? What are we here for? Oh, yes, I got a cup, another cup. You guys know I love me some Halloween. So I got my pumpkin cups that is in the back chilling. And now I got this cauldron witch's brew cup. It's so cute, right? So I was just about to get something to drink and make a snack. And I said, let me turn on the camera. So right now, guess what we're going to make? It's probably takes you like 10 minutes. Or less. You know I like things that take 10 minutes. I have no patience. So, we are going to make some crab sticks today, you guys. This is my artificial crab that I bought. I have packs and packs and packs of this because I'm a seafood girly. I love crab. I love shrimp. All of that. So, my fam, they're chilling in the pool still. And I said, let me come in and get cooking with my good lookings. So, we're going to get the flour and the breadcrumbs and all of the stuff ready to dip our crab meat because it's real quick and easy. You're gonna love this recipe. Stay tuned, okay? All right, so we are back with our crab meat. We're gonna cut those open. Check them out. I like artificial crab, even though the my Publix they actually have these really cute crab meats that is already like, it's like they just shelled. They're so pretty. I was gonna use those, but I like artificial crab. And this is just a little snack. I'm hungry and I'm not sharing. So I'm just gonna make me a few sticks. Okay. So first what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put a little bit of seasoning in your flour. All right, so in the flour plate, I just grabbed 2 paper plates because I don't even want a real big cleanup. This is a really quick meal. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Okay, mix that up. Mix that up. Okay, so now you got yourself some nice seasoned flour. Okay, and then this is just plain breadcrumbs. I sometimes use Italian, but today I'm just gonna use plain. I made a mozzarella video yesterday with the Italian breadcrumbs. You guys could check out that video. It was really good. It was the Chili's recipe. I just put my own twist on it. It was a lot of fun, pulling cheese. I'm not even supposed to be eating that much cheese, but I burnt myself. I had a good time. So you're gonna whisk up 2 eggs, of course, for your dip. Okay, and then let me get something to put the crabs on when they're done. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, so first what you're gonna wanna do is take your crab stick, artificial crab meat, and put it in the flour. Put it in the flour, and then after it gets in the flour, gonna dip it back in the egg wash, and you're gonna put it in the breadcrumbs. If you watch my mozzarella video, just like how you make a mozzarella stick, this is just like how you make a mozzarella stick. You guys could go check it out. It was so much fun. I had a really good time. All right, so we're gonna do another one so you guys can see. Let's get a nice intact one. You dip it in your egg, just like so. Cover it with flour. Cover it with flour. And then knock off some of the flour. And dip it back in the egg. Try to hold that joint together. And then you're gonna put it in the breadcrumbs. Just like so. While we're doing this, I turned on the deep fryer. So that's heating up. This is just a 1-2 quick snacky snack. Really fun, really easy, really simple. same thing to do when you're trying to make a mozzarella stick. Just putting you guys on. Nothing crazy, or you'll look and be like, how do they do that? It's very simple. It's just these 2 steps: cover, dip, cover, dip, cover, cover, dip, cover, dip, cover, dip, dip. Okay, so this is how they should look once they're all fully covered. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip the rest of them, and we'll be back. All right, so I just wiped off some of the flour, cleaned up my area, and finished dipping all of the crab sticks. I'm gonna put them in the freezer for a little bit and make sure that the oil is over here getting hot. I plugged in the deep fryer just for that easy dip instead of using my pot today. Just gonna, you know, just throw those bad boys in. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and I'll be back when it's time to fry. All right, so they're out of the freezer. They are cured and all stuck together, all yum. Just gonna pop them in the deep fryer. You guys, if you watch any of my other videos, you know about my little mini deep fryer. This deep fryer is so small in person. It might look even big on the camera. It's so small. It was like 20 bucks. If it even was 20 bucks. Now I can't even remember. So it doesn't really hold a lot. But I'm starving, so I'm gonna dip these in and I'll be back. I actually decided to come back because who doesn't like to hear some frying sounds? I'm being silly today. I'm so starving. I said you guys might enjoy this little recipe, you know? So I said, let me turn on the cam, work with you guys a little bit for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm so hungry, and seafood normally, to me, look at that so far, beautiful. These do not take long to cook, and do not have your oil too high, because you don't want them to burn, but they only take a really short time to cook, so. All right, guys, I'm drying my sticks off on a paper towel after it sat out of the basket. I have 2 more in the air fryer, and I'm just gonna plate them up nice and cute. They're not like, you know, how you see some people's, they're pretty round. No, these are just simple at-home sticks. Okay. Let me get the other 2 out, and then we're gonna taste test these bad boys. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of tartar on the side. And there you have it. Nice little snacky snack. I'm sure someone's gonna steal one. I can't eat all of these by myself. But yeah, looks good, right? Took me 5 minutes. I'm gonna say 10 in total to get this together. And yeah, let's try it. All right, guys, we're gonna try the crab sticks. Oh, hot. So I'm gonna dip in some tartar. Hot, so good. I was starving. This is amazing. It's soft, a little crunch. It's if you like seafood, really cute little seafood dish, you know, instead of making some big seafood dinner. This is my snack, and hope you guys enjoyed this little quick recipe with me. Try it. Tell me if you like it. Like, comment, tell me some things you want me to make, and yeah, come back to the kitchen so we could get cooking. Good looking. Bye. You work your